Step 1. Marinate the chicken. Prepare the chicken, wash the chicken pieces and pat them dry with paper towels. This will help the coating stick better. Marinate in buttermilk. In a large bowl, add the buttermilk, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Stir until well combined. Soak the chicken. Place the chicken pieces in the buttermilk mixture. Ensure the chicken is fully submerged. You can use a Ziploc bag or a shallow container. Refrigerate. Cover and refrigerate the chicken for at least 2 hours, or ideally overnight. The longer it marinates, the more tender and flavorful it will be. Step 2. Prepare the breading. Make the breading mix. In a large bowl or shallow dish, combine flour, cornmeal, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, and dried thyme if using. Mix well until evenly combined. Double coating option. If you prefer an extra crispy coating, prepare a second batch of flour mixture to dip the chicken into again after the initial coating. Step 3. Bread the chicken. Remove the chicken from buttermilk. Take the chicken out of the buttermilk marinade. Let any excess buttermilk drip off the pieces. Coat in flour mixture. Dredge each piece of chicken into the flour and cornmeal mixture, pressing it down to make sure the coating sticks. If you're doing a double coating, dip the chicken back into the buttermilk and then coat it again in the flour mixture. Rest the chicken. Place the coated chicken on a wire rack or plate and let it rest for 10–15 minutes. This will help the breading adhere better during frying. Step 4. Fry the chicken. Heat the oil. In a large deep skillet or Dutch oven, heat about 2–3 inches of vegetable oil or peanut oil to 350 F175C. You can use a deep fry thermometer to check the temperature. If you don't have a thermometer, drop a small piece of bread into the oil. If it browns in 60 seconds, the oil is ready. Fry the chicken. Carefully place the breaded chicken pieces into the hot oil, skin side down. Do not overcrowd the pan. Work in batches if necessary. Fry the chicken for about 12–15 minutes per side, depending on the size of the pieces, or until the chicken is golden brown and crispy, and the internal temperature reaches 165 F74C when checked with a meat thermometer. Avoid overcrowding. Overcrowding the pan will reduce the oil temperature and result in soggy chicken, so fry in batches if needed. Drain the chicken. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the oil and place it on a wire rack or paper towels to drain the excess oil. Step 5. Serve. Rest the chicken. Let the fried chicken rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This helps the juices redistribute and ensures the chicken stays moist inside. Serve with sides. Traditional sides for fried chicken include biscuits fluffy and buttery mashed potatoes with gravy, coleslaw crunchy and tangy, cornbread slightly sweet. Pickles optional for a tangy contrast.